All right, so here's the sim that we're going to work on. And here's the assignment. There's a link to the sim. It's also in Canvas, so you can find it. It'll look like this. And you're going to click on Atom. So this is what this looks like. All right, we have a couple different things: net charge, mass number, and make sure you click stable or unstable. So uh, 1 and 2 are questions that you should already know, but if you don't, please find those out. And then we want to figure out what makes the center of an atom unstable, and you can do that by adding protons, neutrons, electrons, um, and then you can see stable or unstable will show up. All right, but only if you have it clicked here. Make sure that click is on. So to fill out the table, you're just going to pick a random. So I'm just going to put one of each in. And you can see it says stable. And I'm going to put an electron in here. So I got one of each. So what's in your nucleus? I'm going to look, and it says these two things, right? Neutrons, protons. We're going to draw it. A screenshot's fine. Stable or unstable, just read the word. And then what element is it? If I want to find the element, I look right here on the periodic table. So it looks like you'll be able to make, not all of these, but you'll be able to make a majority of them, okay? So that's how you do the first part. Then the question here is, which subatomic particle determines the identity of the element? You should get that from what you see here. For the next example, you're going to make something to try to figure out charge. Okay, so you're going to do protons, neutrons, and electrons. What element is it? Make them different than these four. Okay, it can't be the same. Then you want to find a rule for making something neutral, positive and negative. And again, using this information that you have here, you should be able to do that. And then once you find that rule, you're going to make a neutral, a positive, and a negative, okay, while filling out the chart using the sim. Net charge will get you there. If you don't understand positive and negative, you can see there. And then also play around and determine a rule to find the mass of an element. And again, to find the mass, it's this number right here. So as you add things, this number will change, okay? So once you complete that, then you go on to the games section. The game section's down here. You hit games, and there are 4 different games. Your goal is to get 5 stars on each. So as you look at the game, it says find the element. So what element is it? This is going to be neon. Is it neutral? Or is it an ion? It's neutral. I hit check. I get a smiley face. And then I want to get smiley faces all the way across. And then once I get stars on all of these, I screenshot this and add it to this document. All right. So complete the chart, answer the 8 questions, or 9 questions, sorry, and then complete the games. And that's all you have to do for this sim.